Hi there guys and girls, good evening. Abby gave me a snacks. Thank you for this one fried noodles. Guys and girls, taste it. Thank you Abby for your kindness. Abby, thank you So guys, let's eat. Let's try this one. Thank you, Abby. Thank you.